Hey everyone! Today I'm going to guide you on how to get a TikTok access token for your app. This is super important for tracking your events correctly. Let's jump right into it. The first step is to head over to your TikTok Event Manager settings. Once you're in the TikTok Event Manager settings, scroll down and find the Generate Access Token button. Click on it. After clicking Generate Access Token, TikTok will generate a unique access token for your app. This token is essential for connecting your app with TikTok's tracking capabilities. Copy this token. Now, head back to your app and paste this token. Click on Save button. Congratulations! Your access token is now successfully installed, and your app is ready to track events on TikTok. Thank you.